Damn, even the Adidas store got a line? Holy guacamole. Might have time to check it out after. Don't know if it's worth it, to be honest. We'll see what's up. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are out in the Citadel, you guys. So we're at the Citadel Nike outlet. Came here 4 or 5 days ago, but last day of the coupon, you guys, so I had to go check it out. I don't think the line's too bad. See what happens, you guys. All right, it's like 7:05 or something like that, and I think this is where the line was last week. I think I only waited about 20 minutes, so I think we're good. Damn, did they really find that much heat? And what am I missing out on? Dang. Were we able to get those retail?
I got these retail.
Oh, that's what's up, man. That's dope. That's dope. That's dope. All right, guys. I think it was, what, 18 minutes? 18 minutes? Not too bad. Not too bad. All right. Of course, we got to go check the back, you guys, of course. Oh, okay. It looks like they have been restocking. The shelves are full. Might be good news. Let's see what happens. Size 10.5. Let's go. All right, we are on the 10.5s. I think 10s. 10.5s. I don't know. Let's see what's up. Got the Command Forces, LeBron 17s, going for $170. Okay. Size 10. Oh, man, they got me, dude. I was like, what? They got the DMPs? What? Nah, not really. 100 for those. Those are the Mars 270s, DMP colorway. Size 11.5. I don't know why they say here, but yeah, the KDs. Oh my God, get these for a steal, pretty much. Got some Kyrie 6s. Okay. Still do got these here, you guys. Oh, weren't these going for way cheaper? Oh no, it was a gray colorway. Those are all gone. Holy crap, those are all gone a few days later. Oh wait, they got them, but now they're back to 200. These are 139 last week. Oh, what the heck? What the heck? That's a size 10 right there. These, oh, okay, free Metcon 2s go for 70, okay. Remember, it is 30% off the clearance section, and then you do get that 20% off as well last day of that coupon. I think I'm in the size 11th, but here's a 10 right here. These are going for 90 bucks. This is a Nike ID all red version of the PG4s, okay. Made by Christian, go for 90. Air Max Zeros go for a size 10.5. Oh, there's no way those are retail. Oh, LeBron 18, size 10. This is the way to do it, you guys. $225. This is one of the more limited ones because it's the first colorway. But yeah, get that 30 off. Then use 20% off. That's what's up. That is what's up. Yeah, I'll show these. These are the $225 ones. I'm all dropping stuff on the ground. Okay. Yeah, these are pretty nice. I haven't gone over all the tech stuff, but you know, the cushioning's supposed to be really cool. You know, the tongue is the thing that does bug some people, but I'm a fan. I'll probably get one of these eventually. And right under that, we do have the Hirachi types going for $100. Eh? More of these. These are size 11. I think those are in the aisles as well, now that I think about it. Dang, I just want to find one dope thing, you guys. They got these downshifters. Dang. Got these whatever the heck they're, Renew runs going for 45. Man, this is rough, you guys. Air Max 200s, size 11.5 go for 60. Okay, they do have these Air Maxes. Should I get one of these? I can fit a size 11, because these do run a little bit small. They are going for $100. I think they come down to what, $54 after the savings. Might have to pull the trigger on that, dude. Oh, they do got the Gore-Tex. These usually go for a hell of a lot of money, because I think those retail are what, 150. They got these. I'll go check the aisle, see if they got these here. This is the Bigfoot size. I think 12s and 13s and higher. So you got the Air Max 2090s right here, go for $110. That's the size 14 though. Stuff usually is way out of order here. This is too many people here that come here. Size 12 Element React. These will go for 70. Not too bad. That's a hell of a deal. You got some of the Witness 3s, perfect for outdoor hoops, especially for kids. These are going for what, $57, $57.99 after the discount. Man, that's a hell of a price. Pegasus 34s going for $55, size 14s. Dude, there's just not much, you guys. I'm really checking the clearance section because that's where the best deals are right now, but just not much, man. Bigfoot, small foot, just nothing. And the smaller size 9s, you guys. Got more of these, going for $170, size 9.5. Okay, finally seeing a few different things. The Aerospace 720, size 9.5. Going for a buck, what, buck 50. Got some Elements. These are the, oh no, these are the EXP4 X14s. Going for $45 after the discount. That's super cheap. That is hella cheap. Full length React on these, super comfortable. The upper's a little bit sloppy, but for that deal, that's insane, you guys. That's insane. That's the size 10 now. What is this? What is this? What is this? The Killshot XP's going for 90 bucks. That's the size 10. Alright, we got these. What these going for? Size 9, $139.98 or $139.99. Not too bad, especially with the extra discounts and stuff. Size 9. Oh, what the heck? No, what is this doing here? Size 4.5? They juked me, man. A buck 20 for these though. Some more of these. They got these. The KD13. Yep, going for 80 bucks. Dude got these, man. 85 bucks for these. This Shaq's BB4s. It's the one with the patent leather too. But yeah, what size is that? It's a size 11. Got the Zoom Freak ones. There's no way that's retail. That's a size 10. We're in the super small sizes. Not really seeing much. They got another one of these. It says retail. I'm curious to see what they say because on Friday, it's currently Tuesday. On Friday, this was going for $139.99. Dang, I'm trying, you guys. The Ghost Riders, size 9, go for 100 bucks. Trying to show you guys the different stuff. Just, man, the Kyries, that's the size 8.5. I don't know the price because it's not there. What are these? What the hell is this? Flex Method trainers? Alright, we're done, you guys. We're done. Yeah, we actually reviewed all this stuff like I said just a few days ago. So, alright, let me get creative. Alright, we do have a couple of viewers, you guys. We have Miguel, we have Burnaby, and Burnaby found some pretty dope stuff, you guys. These are the LeBrons. We saw these earlier, the LeBron 18s. I did the math on them. They're $225, and with the 30%, the 20%, it actually comes out to like $127, which is kind of crazy. So yeah, you're thinking about it, right? Yeah. Yeah, because it is over $100 and stuff, so it's not like it's super cheap, but it is a hell of a great deal. We were talking for quite some time. Miguel and I were talking. We're talking about all the different places to get deals and stuff like that. He's a big fan of the clearance center, just like I am. But we both stay in the valley too, so that so that kind of helps. So yeah, thanks for saying what's up. Definitely appreciate you guys. Thank you. All right, so I did ask one of the employees to see what they had in the back. I was like, hey man, can you check 10.5, see if you got anything? I told them I've been to like 10 different Nike outlets trying to use that thing 20% off, and haven't even bought anything. Oh, actually I did buy those t-shirts. But yeah, he did check, and all they had were LeBrons, dude. And I was like, I'm not buying LeBrons like for retail, even with the 30%, 20%. I still don't think it's worth it. So yeah, let's go peruse the women's section real quick. And yeah, we're not going to be reviewing it like usual. I'm just going to peruse real quick and we'll see what we find. All right, this is the bigger sizes, size 11.5. Why can't I read? Size 11.5, which is a 10 in men's. Not the coolest colorway, but yeah, $1.25 for these Pegasus Turbos. Got these in the bigger sizes. $70 for these. 70 bucks. Color doesn't matter too much and you just want to go running. Wow, 70 bucks, you get 30% off. 20% off, man, that's like 30 something bucks. That's crazy. All right, check kind of the more regular sizes. Size 9s, Romero 14s. These are going for 100 bucks. All right, these Pegasus Turbo 2s. Is this the same colorway as that other one? Maybe that other one was mismarked. 100 bucks for these, size 9. That's a hell of a deal. That's 54 bucks, man. Oh man, seeing a bunch of the same stuff. 8.5 Vomeros with the Nike free. I don't know what the hell is that. Nike free run Flyknits. Okay, that's what, $55. 8.5. Air Max 200s. 8.5. Go for 60. Seeing the same stuff over and over. Vomeros, Pegasus Turbos, more of these Nike free runners. 8.5. What, retail? What? I'm confused. More of these. It's like the same stuff over and over. All right, it's the exact same stuff, you guys. Exact same stuff. Yeah, let's look around. All right, we're not gonna check all the aisles and stuff because we just did that 4 days ago, and you guys just saw that. So yeah, let's look at the kids clearance section. Oh, got some Jordan 11s. Yeah, no, I actually saw these last week. Yeah, I don't know what the heck these are. I think the toddler version. Jordan 11 Retro Little Flex, 50 bucks for the preschools. Okay, those probably got resale, to be honest. Okay, do got some dope stuff in the kids section. This is a 5Y right here. The Jordan 13. Did I say Jordan? It's a LeBron 13 Soldiers, go for 45 bucks. Dang. Speed Turf 5.5, going for 40 bucks. What are these? The 270 Reacts, going for $70. I was like, what the heck is this? The Zoom Freak 1, size 7. That's a graffiti colorway, going for $70. Really not finding much, you guys. I don't even. Oh, $110 for these. The Carry 6s. Size 3.5. What was this? The Hyper Venom 3s? Okay, these are some cleats, low budget cleats, go for 40 bucks. Alright, I think that's it, man. I think this might be short. I'm gonna go check the clothes real quick. We already saw all these aisles. The women's section was so bad anyways. But yeah, we're gonna check out some clothes and we're gonna smash out. Oh, I was trying to figure out where we saw these Jumpman LA ones. This is supposed to be sold at the Jumpman store only. Did make its way to the outlet. It does say flight. What's it say? Flights over Los Angeles. Pretty dope. I just can't do white. Jordan hoodies going for 50 bucks. Trying to find a hoodie or sweatshirt that's actually pretty decent and pretty well priced, but I don't really see much. I think I'm just gonna have to pull the trigger on something, dude. Did get t-shirts. I have to just get some. Yeah, this might be a shorter vlog, you guys. They do have basketball shorts, 20% off. But yeah, I'm just not finding anything that I need. I think I'm gonna wrap it up, you guys. Wait, I did see this in the corner of my eye. Look at this. This is kind of dope. It does say Jumpman LA. It's a Jumpman LA shirt. That is actually dope. $22 for these. That's actually a super dope shirt. Damn, I have to get one of these. This is just too dope. And then it says Jumpman LA. Got a little food cart on it, but it has shoe boxes inside. Kind of a fan of that. Kind of like the black shirt too. Alright, I'm just gonna get my one t-shirt, you guys. Shorter vlog. I don't know, I just didn't see that much going on here in the clothing section. Just gonna get my one t-shirt and smash out. I guess I spent my 20%. Got this shirt for what, 19 bucks? Alright. Better than nothing.